Okay, we will study now the use of journal entries. Use of Excel spreadsheet. Okay, from now on, we will study the use of In this video, we will study ABCs in the use of Excel spreadsheet. Okay, when you open the Excel spreadsheet, you will have a blank spreadsheet. By the way, what is a spreadsheet? It is nothing but a humongous table. You can see there are multiple lines from 1 to 18, but that's not the end. You can scroll down to 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90, 100. And indeed, you have over 1 million lines. And how many cells? From A, B, C, D to Z, and then AA to AZ, and BA to BZ, right? Till XFD. How many columns are? Sorry, I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe thousands, right? Or tens of thousands. So it's a basically humongous table, right? And as you can guess, you can type in anything, right? From numbers to characters to dates. Okay, and then indeed you can make some calculations. What is 100th day? Oh, and then before talking about any calculation, Excel spreadsheet can be used as a calculator. What you can do is, first of all, you should type in the equal sign, and then Excel understands that, oh, this user wants me, the Excel, to do something, to do some calculation. Okay, I ask Excel to do the plus, and then plus enter, press enter. Or multiplication, press enter. Or subtraction to division. Or the calculation of some power, 2 to the power of 2, right? You can do anything like some complicated calculation, like, I don't know, 1 plus 3, how much is it? You do the calculation for those in the parentheses first, right? So 4, 2 times 4 equals 8, right? Something like this. But more interesting is Excel, using Excel, you can calculate something based on the data. Data such as, what do these two data points, right? What would be the sum of the two numbers? Type in equal sign and then use your arrow keys, okay? And then, as you can see, use arrow key to move the activated cell to the one at the left top, which address is A1. Okay, that's the reason why you see here A1, or A4, right? Then you have the exactly same data. But again, as I said, more interesting is calculation of the data. What I'm saying is you can ask Excel to calculate the value at B1 plus value at B2, okay, which is 2 plus 4, which is 6. Once you have the formula, by the way, this is called formula. Once you have the formula, then you can change the values. Then the calculation result following the formula will be automatically updated. Like 2 plus 4 is 6, but 3 plus 4 is, press enter, 7. Okay. Right, these are basics about Excel. And as I said, you can do some calculation of the dates, like when is the 100th day from January 1st of 2021. It says it's April 11th of 2021. Okay, some cool stuff is possible. But and also by the way, I just typed in, as you may, by the way, if you have Excel spreadsheet on your computer, I suggest you do the same thing as me. Okay, Excel is best learned, best mastered by practice. So just watching it would be, I say, unfortunately, not a good strategy of learning Excel. Please open your own Excel and then try to do what I'm doing together. Okay, so you type in 11111, and then you see that suddenly it's automatically changing the value 1 into 1900. What's happening here? Excel expresses the value 1 in the date format. What I'm saying is each cells have unique contains the data for the value, but also the data for the format. Okay, then what's the format of this A1? You can check it by pressing right hand side button and then click format cells. But I am telling you, when it comes to Microsoft programs, you should know as many shortcut keys as possible. Okay, like when you copy and paste, what do? Control C and Control V, right? Control C and Control V. You can do the same job using left-hand side button, or here using the template buttons. But again, you can use the Microsoft softwares the best by using the shortcut keys. Okay, Control C, Control V, copy and paste. Control X, cut, right? Control A, highlight all. What else? Things like that. When it comes to Excel, when you want to see format, it's Control 1. Okay. You can do the same thing by right-hand side button and format cells, or right-hand side button, and you see that on the format cells, F is underscored. So press just F. Okay. So there are multiple ways of, or you can just press under the font, you can press this button. Again, there are multiple ways of checking the format of a cell. I am telling you that one of the best way of using Microsoft software is using shortcut keys. The one for format is Control F, and you can see that it is formatted as general number. General format has no specific number format, so it is a number format. What about this? You can see that it is recorded as date format. Okay, so if you want to change it as a number, then press this number or general. Okay, okay. More interesting function of Excel is you can use functions. Okay, functions like F, and then you open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and then within the parenthesis you have arguments, the same. Type equal, and then you can, the function that I'm using here is sum. Okay, sum all of the numbers above. You can use your mouse, or you can just place your activated cell at A5 and then press Shift Control up. Again, Shift Control up arrow key. Then it grabs everything ahead of it, above it, and then close it. And the sum of 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5 ones is 5. As you update the numbers, the calculation results are updated. Right? Okay, these are basics in Excel, and oftentimes you can use Excel as a table, like like this. Okay, or right, you can make an indent, right? Or you want to erase the line, then press right hand side button and then delete. And then add line, press right hand side button and insert I. And then you can type in apple, bananas. Okay, and then make some more indent. Okay. Right, these are Excel basics, and as time goes by, maybe we should have a look at this one. I have $1,000, and tomorrow I will have $1,200. Now, first of all, it's not easy to read as we have too many numbers. What about this? $1 million and $1.2 million. Oh, it's not easy to read, right? Then you can add 1,000 separators. You can reduce the decimal point numbers or increase it. And then what's the return? From 1 million to 1.2 million, you divide the difference by 1 million, then it is, I'd like to write it in as 20%, right? You just change the format. The value itself is the same, 0.2, but it is now formatted. Its format is changed as 20%. Okay. You can insert some of the fancy things like charts. Okay, and you can sort the data based on the values. Here the data, and then sort, and then you can filter so that you can see the data that you want. The capacity of Excel is so broad, and yeah. But when it comes to huge database, Excel can be very slow. So for big databases, it would be better to use some other softwares such as SQL. Well, these days, it appears that many people uses Python. So Python is another way of handling the data. Okay, these are ABCs in Excel spreadsheet. And in the next video, we will study journal entries using Excel spreadsheet as our notebook. Okay, right, then see you there.